As a dad of a PDA kid, what has been the hardest thing about letting go of consequences and punishments for bad behavior?
In some ways, it might even be a little harder to let that go because there's sort of this expectation that, like, that's part of being masculine, is like coming down hard on your kid and making sure that you enforce consequences and that you're a strong parent and a strong dad.
Can you give me an example?
Cooper loves football. That's been his special interest for about a year. And he actually joined a tackle football team. And I grew up playing football, and I know that, like, there's no weakness in football, right? Like, that's not where you show weakness. There's no crying. All of that is sort of frowned upon. Football's the man sport. It's the tough sport. And, I really had to get used to, like, he's one of the smallest kids on the team. He would have panic attacks and, melt down, cry, lay on the ground, writhing after missing a tackle. He has a nervous system disability, and that I had to be able to say that to the other coaches who were my peers, other football dudes, right? But really, in some ways, like, through the season, I found that that was as much of a challenge, and really that was the challenge for me, because Cooper, he could bounce back.